And as you looks like the Ireland crew has made a move. The Welsh crew looks like it's just slightly off balance there. And Ireland is taking full advantage of that fact. England continuing to disappear off into the distance and able to look back and just relax, knowing that they are now out of reach of their competitors. But the Welsh crew are now well off course, much to the concern of the umpire. Continuing to push people making a habit of collecting little boxes, having picked up some red ones at Henley earlier this year. And the Welsh crew are still out of their lane, but looking over.
To go, Scotland less than half a length behind Wales now, but coming into the final phases, it's still England leading Ireland. The canvases are overlapping, but that's the advantage England have over Ireland.
Just coming into the spectator area, this is the last race of the 2013 Home International Regatta. England holding on, but shortening up, noticeably shortening up as they come in towards the...
Come on, England!
Ireland, on the other hand, scenting their opponent's demise.
Come on, England!
Out and driving on through. Cox is absolutely yelling to their crews, push, push, push. Battle going on for third and fourth as well between Wales and Scotland. Wales just have a nose ahead on that one. As we come up to the finish line, England still have a nose ahead of Ireland, but only just. It's on the nod, and there's less than half a length in it as England go over the line, followed by Ireland. And the big battle here